Hello everyone. Let me ask you one question today. Not a difficult question, not a grammar question, not a vocabulary question. Just one honest question. How many times have you said to yourself, I will speak English from Monday, I will speak English from January 1st, I will speak English when I am ready? And that Monday never came. That January passed, that ready feeling never arrived. Why? Because nobody told you the truth. Nobody told you the real reason you are stuck. Today, I will tell you that truth. And this truth is not in any textbook. This truth is not on any other YouTube channel. This truth is inside your own life. You just never noticed it. So stay with me for next some minutes because these some minutes can change the next 20 years of English journey. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine this. A small child is learning to walk. Does that child say, I will run a marathon first, then I will learn to walk? No. That child falls, gets up, takes one step, falls again, gets up again, and one day that child runs. But we, as a English learners, we want to run before we even stand. We say, I want to speak like an American. I want to speak like a news anchor. I want to speak in meetings, in interviews, on stage. And when we cannot do that on day one, we quit. This is the biggest mistake. Not your grammar, not your vocabulary, not your accent. Your mistake is you are measuring yourself with the wrong ruler. Let me tell you a fact. The human brain learns by small repetitions. Scientists calls this myelin. Every time you practice something small, your brain builds a layer of myelin around that skill. More practice, more layers. More layers, more fluency. Fluency is not a gift. It is a construction. And every construction starts with one brick. Not one building, one brick. Now let me share some facts. Facts that are real, facts that are scientific, facts that will surprise you. A child learns their mother tongue in how many years? 3 to 5 years. And they hear that language every single day for thousands of hours. But we expect to learn English in 30 days with one app, with one YouTube video. No, language needs time, but not as much time as you think. Because you are not a child, you already have a brain that understands logic. You already know one language fully. That is your superpower. Do you know? Only 850 words in English cover 80% of daily conversations. 850 words, not 85,000. So you do not need to learn the whole dictionary. You need to learn the right words, the most used words. The most successful English speakers in the world, they did not go to the English medium schools. They did not live in America or England. They simply did one thing every day, one small thing, consistently. That consistency, that small daily habit, that is the real secret. When you speak in your mother tongue, you don't think about the grammar first. You just speak. But in English, we stop. We think, is this sentence correct? We think, what will people say? We think, my accent is wrong. And in that thinking, we lose our confidence. The grammar check in your head is your enemy, not your friend. At least in the beginning. First speak, then correct, not the other way. Now I will give you the method. Simple, practical, and real. Stop 1. Talk to yourself in English daily, not in front of a crowd, not in a class, just one and a mirror, or even no mirror. Start with today I woke up at 7. I had tea. It was hot. Today the weather is good. That is it. Two sentences, three sentences every single day. This is not small. This is everything. Because your mouth is practicing, your brain is connecting, your confidence is building. Not 50, not 500, only 5. And use those 5 words in sentences, your own sentences about your own life. Yes, loudly. Make the mistake. Say the wrong sentence. Laugh at it. Correct it. And move on. The person who makes 100 mistakes and continues is more fluent today than a person who made 0 mistakes because they never spoke. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are milestones. Now I want to say something deeper. Something that is not just about English, something that is about life. We always think about the big goal. I want a big job. I want to speak on a stage. I want to go abroad. And these dreams are beautiful. Please keep them. But here is the problem. When we only look at the mountain top, we forget to look at our feet. And our feet are on the ground right now. This moment, this step. The mountain top does not care about your dream. The mountain only responds to your steps. One step, then another, then another. And one day, without even realizing, you look down and see you are at the top. This is true for English. This is true for your career. This is true for your entire life. Small steps are not the slow way. Small steps are the only way. So here is what I want you to do. Not tomorrow, not Monday, not January, today. Open your notes app. Write 3 sentences about your day in English. Any sentences. Wrong grammar is fine. Just write. That is your first small step. And tomorrow, write 3 more, and the day after 3 more. You will not become fluent in 7 days, but in 6 months. You will not recognize yourself because small steps taken daily create extraordinary people. I believe in you, not because I know you, but because you are here watching this, which means you already took one small step today. Keep going. This is your journey. Own it, one sentence at a time. Thank you very much.